Welcome students. Today we will continue our previous lecture mango breeding. If you still not watch my previous lecture, please go and watch first. So today we will study about improved hybridization techniques of mango. First improved hybridization technique of mango is single day pollination. In this technique, limited number of flowers in a panicle are pollinated in a single day. The aim of this technique to use large number of panicles and crossing whatever few flowers opened on the panicles during single day. After pollination, the flower bagged with perforated polythene bags of 100 gauge. Second hybridization technique is casing technique. This is the improved pollination techniques in mango breeding. This technique is developed at IARI after the discovery of self-incompatibility in Dasari, Langra Chausa and Bombay Green cultivar. In this technique, planting of grafted plants of self-incompatible parent variety along with the male parent in an insect-proof case and pollination is done by introducing freshly reared housefly. The advantage of this technique to avoiding the emasculation and pollination process. And third one is marker gene. In this technique, purple color of new leaves and beak characters of fruit used in identify the hybrid seedling in nursery. Major mango hybrids developed in India. Indian Institute of Horticulture Research Bangalore developed mango hybrids which are Arka Arun. Arka Arun is a parent of Baganpali into Alfonso. Here Baganpali is used as female parent and Alfonso is used as male parent. Arka Puneet. Arka Puneet is a hybrid of Alfonso into Baganpali. This is the reverse cross of Arka Arun. Arka Anmol. This is the parent of Alfonso into Janardhan Pasand. Arka Neelkiran. This is the parent of Alfonso into Neelam. Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi developed mango hybrids are Malika. Malika is the first mango hybrid. This is the cross of Neelam into Dasari. This cultivar released in the year 1971. This is the first mango hybrid developed in the year 1971. Amrapali, this is the parent of Dasari into Neelam. Pusa Arunima, this is the parent of Amrapali into Sensation. Pusa Shrest, this is the hybrid of Amrapali into Sensation. Pusa Pratibha, this is the hybrid of Dasari into Amrapali. Pusa Pitambar, this is the parent hybrid of Amrapali into Lal Sundari. Pusa Lalima, this is the hybrid of Dasari into Sensation. Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth, Dapoli, developed mango hybrid are Ratna, this is the hybrid of Neelam into Alfonso. Sindhu, this is the cross of Ratna into Alfonso. Sindhu is a stone-free cultivar of mango or seedless cultivar of mango. Horticulture College Research Station Periyakulam, Tamil Nadu developed mango hybrids are PKM1 and PKM2. Clonal selection developed from GBPU80 Pantnagar are Pant Sinduri and Pant Chandra. Mango mutant cultivars developed through mango breeding are Rosica. Rosica developed from cultivar Rosedo di Laca in Peru. This is a regular bearing, high yielding cultivar with good quality fruits. And other mutant cultivar is Davis Haddon. And now Polyploidy. Vallai Columban is a polyploidy cultivar of mango. This is the alloctoplide cultivar of mango. The chromosome number of Vallai Columban is 2n is equal to 8x is equal to 80. Source of desirable traits of mango. Here we will see the mango cultivars which are resistant to diseases and have desirable characteristics. Mango malformation resistant cultivars are Bhadauran and Elaichi. Powdery mildew resistant cultivars are Neelam, Totapuri and Jardalu. Freestone mango species is Mangifera similis. Completely free from fiber mango species is Mangifera magnifica. Dwarfness mango cultivars are Rumani and Amrapali. High TSS content mango species is Mangifera odorata and cultivars are Nilfanso, Xavier, Amrapali and Dasari. Rootstock for waterlogging conditions are Mangifera decandra, Mangifera gdb, Mangifera incarpoides, and good keeping quality and storage quality cultivars is Arka Puneet. Inheritance pattern of mango. In plant color, plant size, fruit size, resistant to diseases, and other characteristics of plant are controlled and mediated by gene, which is called inheritance pattern. In mango, dwarf tree growth or dwarfness is controlled by recessive gene. Binal bearing, also known as alternate bearing, controlled and mediated by recessive gene. Resistance to malformation, controlled by recessive gene. Spongy tissue, also controlled by recessive gene. Precocity, also controlled by recessive gene. Polyembryony in mango is controlled by single dominant gene. Thanks for watching. If you have any query regarding mango breeding, please comment down below and like, share and subscribe my channel.